Hello and thank you so much for being here. I am Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin. And in today's video, I am talking about my 12% Vitalizing Vitamin C. This product has really been selling like crazy. I discontinued it a while ago, and then people were like, why'd you discontinue it? I brought it back to market and people are obsessed with this product. It is an incredible formulation that's stable. It is good for 1 year after you've opened it because it is in a very unique formulation of propylene glycol. So this is a 12% formulation that people are just obsessed with. This is the one product that people have been like, especially people that are new to vitamin C or people that have used other vitamin Cs that haven't had many results. They use this and the feedback is consistently, oh my god, this works, it's amazing. It helps to brighten uneven skin tone, pigmentation, a little bit of melasma, but more importantly, it strengthens the skin, so it helps to not want to produce that melanin response or unhealthy skin cells. The thing about vitamin C that is very important to know is that the formulation needs to really be good, and that's why a lot of very good formulated products cost a little bit more, because it does cost more money to have that formulation be stabilized, and more importantly, that it needs to be used with usually a fatty chain molecule so that it'll actually get into the skin and penetrate the skin, because where you really want vitamin C in the skin is in the deeper layers of that skin, because that's where it actually will do its potential, which is to regenerate new collagen, which is to beefen up that skin and brighten that skin and become stronger so that it is less likely to react to the environmental stresses or UVA light damage or other type of damage that we get through pollution and other things that we come into contact with. It's also a moisturizer, this formulation, so you do want to use a little bit at first and maybe just skip your moisturizer, depends on what your preference is and what your needs are. But a lot of people that use this are kind of skip moisturizer unless they're wanting to just take that extra step. If you're not using a vitamin C serum now, and especially if it's during the summer, you really want to reconsider that, because it is an important antioxidant and vitamin to put on the skin to also help sunscreens work better, and also to give your skin a little bit of a stronger immune system, so to speak, so that it is less likely to break down and have a lot of aging during the time when you're really needing it most, which is when you're in the heat or the sun. If you have any questions about my 12% Vitalizing Vitamin C serum, feel free to ask them below this video, and I can't wait to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin with one of my products. Remember to always stay gorgeous.